What's up, my Lena Bays? Welcome back to the freaking channel. It's your girl Lena on Mariah. If you're new to the channel, welcome back, my Lena Bays. You see by the title, okay? Your girl got another affordable wig Wednesday, but look, I didn't have to spend my own coins. This was sent to me, you guys, and I'm so excited to do this wig review with you ladies, okay? I said I can't talk with you ladies, and if I got some gents on here with you gents as well. So you guys, I am feeling this headband wig as you saw by the title or whatever, and it's affordable. But before I even get into this video, y'all, I did another voiceover video and I'm rocking with it. So yes, but before I even get into this video, you guys, make sure you subscribe to the family. Join the Lena Bays. We lit. Why not join us? Why not? Tell your mama, tell your dog, tell your cat, tell your fish, tell your uncle, tell your brother, tell whoever to come join the family, subscribe to the family, and show some freaking love. Because your girl is trying, okay? I am trying. I'm trying my best not to quit. Because y'all don't be showing me no love sometimes. Sometimes y'all do. It's just I don't be understanding what y'all want from me. And I'm just being myself. So I don't know. But you guys, make sure you like this video up, you guys. Click that bell and notify when I'm posting new freaking videos. So y'all, let me shut up and get into this wig review. Ladies, so I'm picking my wig off the floor because I left it there after I tried to do an epic fail hair review with you ladies. So I have to do it again. So I do have 3 combs in the front of this headband wig. I have a comb in the back of the headband wig. I also have adjustable scraps. So I'm showing you that I do have my cap on. I did my makeup for y'all so you can see your girl came prepared, okay? I'm going to brush this nappy motherfucker because it got a little nappy because it been sitting on the floor. But woo-de-woo, I combed through it, got them big curls out there, was looking synthetic. Also, off camera, y'all, I did go through and put baby powder on it just to help it look so unshiny. Because that thing was so goddamn shiny after I was looking at my ties. So I had to put some powder on it just to give it a little more, a little ashy more look, okay? So I'm adjusting the wig, putting on my head as best of my ability, because that thing, y'all, was hanging on for dear life, because my head is so little, so I had to make sure those scraps was on. They also gave me a little headband, y'all, so I'm so happy about that because I need a new one. Y'all, this hair does shed just a little. It did give me like minimum amount of shedding. Now I'm trying to figure out how to make sure this front look perfect because that mud was bunched up. So I was like, let me do my baby hair. That might can help me fix the front of it. And y'all know I can't do baby hair, so I'm going to do baby hair the best of my ability. I want to swoop and whoop and boop the best of the abilities, okay? Because you know I did my makeup and I'm not trying to mess it up. And then I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm really doing trial for error. I need somebody to teach me how to do my baby hair down below because it's hard. No matter who teach me, I still cannot do it. I don't know. My hand is dyslexic, whatever how you say it. I don't know. But my hands do not swoop or whoop worth nothing. So while I continue to finish up the baby hair, you guys, just gonna let you know I'm gonna put the headband on soon afterwards just to see how I can style it. But y'all, honestly, this was some good hair to a certain extent. As I told y'all, it does tangle, it does shed, but that's about it. And it did come like a little smell, but nothing too major that I couldn't handle. Once I put the baby powder on it, it really did take the smell away, so I wasn't too concerned about that. Also, y'all, they sent me a 1B. I asked for a highlighted cute brown color with the highlight of a 1B, but it is what it is. I can't complain. The wig was free, so whatever. So back on me trying to do this baby hair. I'm trying to make it perfect, but I gave to the point I just gave up. So now I'm going to go back in with my makeup just to make sure that you don't see any white spots, because sometimes edge control leave white spots. Also, when you're using edge control, it can mess up your makeup a little bit. So I want to make sure I fixed it because I am going somewhere. As soon as I finish this video, I'm going somewhere. And I ain't got time to rush and go back to look at it. So I'm going to go through and just make sure that I'm doing everything correct. If you see me looking to the side, I am looking at my mirror. But I'm also looking at you guys as well. So I'm trying to make sure that the mirror is right by the mirror. So now I'm playing with it, trying to see how to wear it. And I feel like this hair is very versatile. You can wear it to the left. I'm going to do like a 360 to the side, the back, and the other side of the hair. So I'm going to go and put the scrunchie on as I advise you, just to see how it would look with the scrunchie. Because I keep saying scrunchie, y'all, headband, because it's not giving me what's supposed to give me with that black band. So I'm going to make sure that the headband is on correct and it fit perfect. Now let's see what I can do with this thing, because I really believe I can wear it any kind of way. I'm running my hands through it just to make the curls pop a little bit more so they won't look so straggly and raggedy. I'm also like feeling it, y'all. Look at that 360. Look at that 360. that goddamn baby powder came in clutch, because that thing was looking too shiny. I want to look like somebody car tire, and I refuse to let somebody car tire. So I'm just feeling myself in that, y'all. I'm just trying to figure out how I can wear it. I see I can wear it like busted down the middle. I see I can wear it any type of way, honestly, and I'm loving it. And just make sure, if you like this wig, the link is down below. Let's go into the video. All right, you guys, so I'm done with this wig review, you guys. I done told y'all what I like about it. I never really said I cannot talk. I never said really my cons and pros about this hair. So I'm gonna start with the cons, because not really much. So I'm gonna start with the cons. I don't like that the hair shed, you guys, but it is synthetic, so you know, you get what you get. But it don't shed as much, but it do shed when you comb through it. And I like brushing through it so it have them big fake curls in it. You can try to make it look more realistic as possible. Also, you guys, I did not like the smell of it in the beginning of it, but it's okay. I mean, it's synthetic. I still can't get mad at it, but dang, I could at least have a better smell, okay? And y'all, my third con is that it was very, very shiny. I had to think I had a braid for it. So it was very, very shiny, but I did not show y'all. I did this off camera. I did put baby powder on it to help, like, calm it down. You see, it's like it looked more realistic other than just shiny. Like, it was like very, very shiny. It was more shiny than it probably would have showed on camera. So I did make sure I put baby powder on it way before I got into the video. So that's why it looked more mellow or whatever. I said, is it called mellow? I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know what it's called, because I'm effing these words up. So let me let y'all know the pros. Y'all, I love this hair brushed out. Now, them big curls, I wasn't feeling it because it looked more synthetic. But when you brush these curls out, you guys, I love it. It looked more natural. It looked like a body wave, better body wave texture. I love that you can really style this hair left to right. You can do a high ponytail, low ponytail. You can do half up, half down, and it still look good on you as well. You see, you guys, they gave me a scrunchie, so I love it. I said scrunchie. I am effing up today. They did give me a headband to go with my wig, so that's a plus. Because a lot of people don't see you a headband with a headband wig, so I was very excited about this headband wig, you guys, because it came with a cute little, and then it's velvet. Where they do that at? Like, come on. Y'all, also I loved about it was the length of it. I thought it was going to be like a 24 length, but it was actually like a, well, 22 inch, but it's more like a 22, 24 mixed together. So it's not too long, it's not too high, it's just perfect. So I said high. Not too long, not too short. That's what I meant. So it's like a perfect length for me for this type of hair due to the synthetic. I don't want too much long hair with synthetic hair because you tangle real fast. It get matted. Whoop the whoop. Also, you guys, I loved about it that, y'all, yeah, I did not order no 1B, okay? I ordered the highlight color, but they sent me a 1B, but I ain't mad because I ain't paid for it. But dang, you could have sent me what I asked for. But yeah, back to my pros. Okay, back to my pros, y'all. I don't know, I'm just feeling it. It's giving me like a vacation vibe type of wig. I know for a fact I probably wouldn't take this on a vacation because it's like synthetic, so you can't get it wet. You don't want to sleep in it, and I don't feel like this is the type of hair you can sleep in. I don't know. I'm going to test it out to see how long do it last on me, y'all. And I'm going to kind of give y'all like an update. Probably so, probably not. I don't know. Follow me on Instagram. I'll let y'all know what the pictures look. Okay? I'll let y'all know. So my Instagram is right there. And it's down in the description as well. So take a look at my Instagram or whatever. But y'all, I'm feeling this hair. Like, I'm really feeling it. It's giving me a great vibe. And y'all know, I'm going to be honest with y'all in every single wig video. If I pay for it or not, I'm going to be 100 honest. Ain't nobody telling me to say this. Ain't nobody telling me I need to say this. No, you're going to get raw onion. I said raw onion. I'm stupid. You're going to get my raw, honest opinion for every hair review I do with you ladies, okay? And my gents that's out there, okay? All right. So, y'all, this basically the end of this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this wig review, I cannot talk. Oh, my goodness. So, you ladies and gents, if you guys enjoyed this wig review, comment down below. Let me know what you liked about it. Let me know how you want to purchase it or whatever, because their link will be down below as well. I did let y'all know the name of the wig as well in my voiceover. But if you did not get it, I'm going to tell you the name again really, really quick, because your girl trying to end this video. And the wig is from, let's see. Come on, Lola, faster than my orders. Y'all, my phone loads so slow. It's so slow. Okay, where you at? I found it. It's called Alugas store. I think I'm saying it wrong, okay? But it's down in the description. Check them out on Amazon for your cute little headband on go wigs. And affordable, you guys. Didn't I tell you it was $23.99? This hair was $23.99. You might want to go check it out. Even though I got it for free. But you still want to go check it out because it's a good brand, good hair, and I effort with it, and I effort for the company. They stayed in contact with me the whole time before I got the hair, after I got the hair, and for the review as well. So go check them out. I kind of give them I'm gonna give them a A.5. Only reason I'm giving them an A.5 in grade is because the shedding, but that's most hair, synthetic hair. But other than that, they were super. Customer service was great, so go check them out. Description, okay? They're down in the description because I think I effed their name up. But you guys, this is the end of this video. You guys, if you watch to the end, you have not subscribed to the family, subscribe to the family, click that bell, and know if I'm posting new freaking videos, and like this video up. And y'all share this video. Go share it. Stop being stingy. Go share my video. I'm trying to help these girls stay affordable, okay? I know you're trying to be a baddie on a budget, so let me help you be a baddie on a budget with these affordable wig Wednesdays, okay? So it's a wrap. I'll see you ladies and gents in the next video or vlog. Peace.